Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use keyframes for logo animation in Capcut. First, open Capcut and import your video from your device. Then import a logo. Then drag it to the timeline. Then select the logo and click on this master keyframe. Then scale the logo to 0. Then after some frame, we will rescale the logo to its original size. Then you can add some rotation too. And here is the preview. Then after some frame again, click on the keyframe icon. And then copy the first keyframe. And paste here. And here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.